dear class 9 students. Today we are going to discuss about the evolution and history of computers. Chapter 1. This is chapter 1, evolution and history of computers. Now we are going to discuss what is about evolution and history of computer. We all of us use a computer, and some of you may be good in using computer, but still then we will have to know the history of computer, how the history was invented and when and how. Okay, so here in the evolution and history of computers, we have 3 points to keep remember. Okay, the first one is mechanical calculating device. Okay, before moving to this topic, let us first discuss about in today's world, without computer, it seems like we know nothing. Okay, so today it is hard to imagine life without computers, as we all know, because we all of us are using whatever things are to be done, we are using a computer. So they have made a strong impact for our society, and computer finds application in many areas: business, healthcare, telecommunication, engineering, entertainment, and education, to name a few. And therefore, to fully understand computer and their impact on our day-to-day life, it is important to understand their evolution. So here, evolution and history of computers, we have 3 things to keep remember. History of computers means it's not today or not these days, but ancient times. Okay, in ancient times, here what they have made is the first thing is mechanical calculating device. This is manual calculating device. Okay, and here in the category of mechanical calculating device, we have abacus and Napier bones, as well as John Napier. So this is the example of MCD, which means manual calculating device. Okay, this is different. Don't think that MCD means mechanical calculating device, not that, but MCD, this is manual calculating device. Manual calculating device is in the category of this one, mechanical calculating device. Mechanical calculating device is a device, that is a machine. That is a machine, but how this works, the process it goes is in the category of mechanical calculating device. It's the first machine that I have made, and so how it is used, the first one is abacus and Napier bones, as well as the Pascaline also. You might have heard mention of Pascaline. Okay, so these are the example of manual calculating device. Now the second one is electromechanical calculating device, and the third one is electronic computers. Okay, so first let us discuss about the mechanical calculating device. What is mechanical calculating device? Okay, mechanical calculating device can be further classified into manual calculating device and semi-calculating device. Here there are 2 machines added in this. The first device in this mechanical calculating device, we have 2 devices. Okay, the first one is manual calculating device. The first one is manual. Okay, manual calculating device. And the second one is semi-automatic calculating device. Here we have 2 things. In the category of mechanical calculating device, there are 2 devices. Okay, in this mechanical device, again there are 2 devices. That is manual calculating device and semi-automatic calculating device. Here I will show you. Okay, here there are 2 devices. Okay, the first one is manual, manual calculating device, and the second one is semi-automatic calculating device. Okay, so here there are two devices are there in the mechanical calculating device. The first one is manual calculating device, remember this, and the second one is semi-automatic device. Now, how does this work? Now, manual calculating device means this will not run automatic. Okay, manual calculating device means if you do the practical, then only it works. Okay. Now in today's computer, we just need to give the instruction, then it will give us the accurate answer. But in the case of manual calculating device, it is not a automatic device, but it's a manual, which means we have to catch up the machine and then use it. And here in mechanical calculating device, there are two machines are there. The first one is abacus, and the second one is Napier-Bones, and the third one is Pascaline. Now, what is abacus then? What is abacus? Abacus is a simple machine. Abacus is a simple calculating machine. Okay. Abacus is a simple calculating machine, like addition. Okay, addition, and this is the picture of abacus. In the earlier times, in the ancient times, they are using this device. This is the machine for calculating, for simple calculation. Okay, this is the machine abacus for simple calculation. See, here this is a rod, these are the beads, and this is a frame. This is a frame of abacus, and this is the round one, round we call beads, and this is a rod. Okay, and the top one we call the top one here is this is a beam. Okay, and this is a big one, is a frame, and this is a rod beads. So in the ancient times, they are using for simple calculation. This is the machine. Okay, abacus. So here now let us see what is exactly abacus. Okay, so the development of this calculating device can be traced with the ancient counting boards. Okay, this is the ancient counting boards. What they are using at the time. So counting board used Mesopotamia around 3,500 BC was used this machine. Okay, it was used in the around 3,500 BC. This counting board consisted of pitted boards with the pebbles of beads. This is consisted of pebbles of beads. These are the pebbles of beads. These are the beads. Now, which were used for performing calculation? The modern abacus were used for performing calculation and originated at this machine. The machine, this abacus, originated in the 15th century in China. Okay, the abacus machine was originated in the 15th century China. Now it consists of a rectangular frame. It consists of a rectangular frame for carrying a number of rods and wire. They have just made as a rectangular shape. Okay, and made as a frame, and they have consisted of pebbles of beads, and of using this beads only they are used calculating addition during that period. Now again, what is Napier-Bones? Napier-Bones is also a calculating machine. This Napier-Bones is used in calculating addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, Napier-Bones is also a machine which they are using for calculating subtraction, okay, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, Napier-Bones was invented by Scottish mathematician Sir John Napier in the 17th century. Napier-Bones was invented by whom? Invented by Scottish mathematician Sir John Napier. That is in the 17th century. Now, Napier-Bones are number rods. Okay, are number rods. This is the Napier-Bones is not being mentioned here. This is the picture. You can see this. This is called Napier-Bones. So they have present a frame. This is a kind of frame, and which they present as a number. Now, at the time performing calculation model, so this Napier-Bones. Napier-Bones, what they are using for each rod is divided into 10 squares. Just see the diagram. They have given a picture here. Each rod is divided by 10 squares. Okay, 10 squares. Each rod. This is the rod, and they have divided by 10 squares. See, this is the small square, and this is called Napier-Bones. Okay. So at the time, and the top square has a digit with a multiplication table of digit vertically downward. The digit of multiplication table are split by diagonal line. This is the diagonal So, as I said, firstly, they invented as a abacus. Abacus is being used only for the simple calculation. They can use only addition and subtraction. This is abacus. They cannot be used in the process of calculate this one, multiplication and division. But abacus can be used only subtraction and addition. And therefore, later on, the Scottish mathematician Sir Napier-Bones invented again as a name as Napier-Bones. This is also being used for calculation, the multiplication, subtraction, addition. Here in the case of abacus can be done only the simple calculation, that is subtraction and addition. But now Napier-Bones came and then he invented in the 17th century and then named as Napier-Bones. So this machine can be done. The calculation can be done as subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Okay. Now next, up to there it's clear. Now let's go for the second point. Electromechanical calculating device. Electromechanical. Electro means we know this is run by electric. Okay. Electromechanical device. Now electromechanical device here. After inventing all these two machines, again now they again invent a machine called electromechanical calculating device. All the machines are being invented only for calculating. Okay, only for calculating, because in this machine, abacus or Napier-Bones or Pascaline cannot be done all types of calculation. Therefore, later on again they made as a electromechanical calculating device for some other calculation. And therefore here let us discuss about mechanical calculating device. What is exactly called electromechanical calculating device? Here let us discuss. Now the tubulating machine and hardware mark I are the example of calculating device. So this is a machine. This is called tubulating machine. Okay, tubulating machine called electromechanical calculating device. Now let us discuss. Tubulating machine in 1887, American inventor Hermann Hollerith invented a tubulating machine. In the year 1887, the name of the person, the man or the person who invented this machine called Hollerith. Okay, Hermann Hollerith is the person who invented this machine. Tubulating machine was invented by Hollerith. Who is the person? Hollerith. Hermann. Okay, Hermann Hollerith. Now, which use punch card for storing and processing information. This machine, abacus or Napier's or Pascaline, are being used only for calculation. Now not only for calculating, they need some data to store. Okay, they need to store data in the machine, and therefore they made as a tubulating machine. Tubulating machine can store some information. The information that can be stored in this machine called tubulating machine. Now, Hollerith machine was used to process data for the US Census. The first time when they used this machine, when they used the tubulating machine. Okay. Tabu, not two. Tabulating machine. This is the machine. Okay, this is the machine they first used to store the information or data in the machine. These are the machine, but they cannot store. They can only use for a simple calculation. And therefore, Hermann Hollerith came and invented this machine to store the data or information. And so they first used this machine was being first used in the US Census. Okay, they just find out the data or the information of the US and then started storing to this machine. In 1896, Hollerith founded a tubulating machine company, which after a series of mergers eventually became International Business Machine (IBM) in 1924. So in 1924, this tubulating machine was being used in the business machine. Okay, as I said data and information. And in the year 1996 to from the year 1996, this tabulating machine was started using for the business. Okay, this business machine became the international business machine in the year 1996. In 1996, this machine became as a international business machine. Now, what is called Harvard Mark I? Here it is mentioned the tabulating machine and Harvard Mark I are example of electronic calculating machine. This one, electromechanical calculating device. This is just the name of the device, and the example as I have mentioned here, mechanical calculating device and abacus and Napier boards are the example of mechanical calculating device. The same thing here also, electromechanical calculating device is a device. So the example of this electromechanical calculating device is Harvard Mark I. This one, which is with a bold letter. It is mentioned here. It is a black color, the black letter. This is Harvard Mark I is the example of electromechanical calculating device. Okay. Now in 1944, American computer engineer Harvard I. Alken advanced the first electromechanical computer called IBM, Arithmetic Spin Control. So in 1994, this Harvard Mark I, also called as the IBM, means International Business Machine. Okay. Now again, you see calculator of Harvard Mark I. It was used for creating ballistic charts for the U.S. Navy. Though the slower in the comparison of modern computers, taking about 3 to 4 seconds per calculation, it could perform basic arithmetic as well as more complex calculations. This Harvard Mark I in the year 1944. Harvard Mark I. Harvard is the Harvard. Okay, HARVARD. Harvard Mark I is the name of the machine. Okay, the example of electromechanical calculating device. This is the example of this. Second point. So Harvard Mark I machine in the year 1944. This machine began as a creating ballistic charts for US. In the US, this Harvard machine became as a creating a ballistic. Okay, so it can compare the which machine? Napier boards and abacus. This is the combination of two modern computers taking about 3 to 4 seconds per calculation. Any calculation, whatever will be, this machine takes only 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, per calculation it takes only 3 to 4 seconds. That much speed, and therefore now this says that the abacus after the Napier and Pascaline now came to Harvard Mark I. This is also a machine. Now it could perform basic arithmetic as well as more complex calculation. This Harvard, as I told you earlier, abacus can be done only for simple calculation, that is addition or subtraction. And Napier bones is also a machine, and this machine can be done calculation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now Harvard Mark I can be done as a arithmetic, okay, basic arithmetic, as well as more calculation. Any type of calculation can be done in this machine, Harvard Mark I. Now, the last topic, point 3, electronic computers. Okay, here electronic computers are classified into various generations on the basis of the difference in technology. In the case of electronic computers, there are classified into a generation on the basis of difference in technology. Each of these generations represents a major improvement in software producer. This is, however, no clear line distinction between the generations. Some order technologies exist. And so, in the case of electronic computers, all the types of calculation tubes and magnetic drums for storage. The first computer were used in the time of electronic computers. It says that these computers being used vacuum tubes and magnetic drums. Vacuum tube, means that in empty space as well as magnetic drums for storage. They use a drum. They use a drum. Okay, they use a drum. The place. Okay, the file or the folder to store the name of the places. Vacuum tubes and magnetic drums. This they use to store the information. Operating system were developed for the specific task for which the computer was meant to be used. Each computer had a different binary code called the machine language. Some of the functions are discussed here. So all the computers which we are using today, the computer has their own language. The same thing here in the electronic computers. The first time what they are using in the time also they have mentioned the language of the computer. Okay. This is called Atanasoff binary computer. Here, built by Atanasoff, and the category was the first electronic digital computer. Now, when they started using these electronic computers, now there are many generations of this computer. Okay, there are many. It starts from 1939 to 1954. Here we have in these electronic computers, there are many devices we use. We say Colossus, ENIAC, ENIAC, and Z3, and then ET, SAC, ET, VAC, UNI, VACI. These are all the machines which are being run by the electronic. This is about the electronic computers. Okay, during that time, all these abacus or nuclear boards personally are not being used by the electronic, not being run by the electronic. But then, when this point number 3, electronic computer are being run by the electric. So these are the machine. These are the name of the machine which are being used in the category of electronic computers. Okay, see here there are Z3 is also being used as Colossus and the ENIAC, EPSSC, EDVSC, UNIVSC. These are the machines being used in this time. So here's about the evolution and history of the computers. Okay, in today's world, without computer, it seems like nothing. So almost everything is being done by the computer. So now today we are learning about the history of the computer. Okay. So the first time the computer was being invented or is being used only abacus, and after that Pascaline or Napier bones, and later on it became as the people, the person who have been invented at the time became their knowledge being higher and higher, and therefore later on in today's world we are using everything is run by the electric. Thank you.